Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13R, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might be added by default, but it's right here for me. So if you see it, that's great. If you don't, you will need to click right here on these three dots, select Edit Tiles, and click on the plus wherever you see the Do Not Disturb mode. Obviously not here. Once you see it, and you press on the plus, if it wasn't added by default, it will show up somewhere here. And in this panel, which you pull down by swiping down, you want to hold it again, and this will now take you to the settings. Now in here you can customize how the mode will function once enabled, so go over all these options and see if there is anything that you want to change. If there is, obviously change so. Additionally, you also have the schedule mode in here, so if you want to have it fully automatic, turn on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time, maybe during work time, you would set it up here. You can also create multiple ones, have them all running at the same time, and obviously if you're planning to use that, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like this. For any kind of manual usage, you can find that toggle and just simply tap on it, select turn on, and that is going to manually turn it on. With the manual turn on, you'll also need to remember by default to turn it off yourself, otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background, so that's obviously not optimal. So to turn it off, you would pull it down again and click on the toggle. This would then disable it. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.